Ati?
Or something. No.
Where are we going?
I think.
Okay. Where are we going?
Center.
Center. And after 3 minutes of walking, guys, we are here in grocery store, but super loud, guys, yung music dito sa grocery store. So I'll just put a voice over here. Yun nga, eto. I'm looking, guys, detergent, and they have some discounted, guys. And Daniel said, guys, that we have same dishwasher liquid at home. And itong dalawa nga, super bilis nilang maglakad-lakad. I know that they are not interested anything here, so I'm just following them, guys, and I'm just observing where they will go. I know that they want to look something, you know. Actually, Danko is asking an ice cream. But I said we need to buy first noodle soup, and as you see, guys, meron silang mga Maggi discounted. So from 1 point something, and I'll just get only 90 cents km. Kaya ayan, kumuha kami ng different flavors ng Maggi. It's too tasty kasi yung Maggi, guys. And we are here now to the biscuits and chocolates area. And they run fast and go for looking at chips. But I said to them, just don't buy here at chips because there's more cheaper store here. Check. Samo pala ako. That one, the chocolate. Chocolate only, okay? Yala. Huh? I let them, guys, to buy an ice cream this time. So, one each of them. Ayan nga, nagbabayad na ako. We're going to another store. Just wait, mama. Okay? Wala ako, Jerica. Okay. And we are here now in another store, guys. And Danko is already melting the ice cream that he eaten. Kaya ayan, punas-punasan ko muna. Yan sila. Okay. We will go and buy meat. We'll see. Ayan, guys, bili muna kami ng sugar, guys. Wala na ata akong stock sa bahay. So ayan, lakas din, guys, ng sounds nila dito. Ayan, nakakita si Danko ng cone. Sabi niya, it's ice cream cone. I said, we don't need that one, I said. Kaya yan, dito na lang kami bibili ng chips. Yan. So they're choosing, guys, their chips, but they want the big Doritos. Loko be. We'll buy no, I will put yay so that I get eggs also, guys. So yan, tapos na kami dito. We're going to the cashier. So ayan nga, tapos na ang aming shopping. Ayan, punta na kami sa plaza. So ang ganda ng weather today, guys. You cannot see anymore. It's okay. Hayde. We're going to the playground, guys. At ayun na nga si Mirabella. Need to follow. Nauna na siya, guys. Takbo ng takbo. Hayde, Bella. Ay, Daniel. Bella! Belka! Here, Belka. wow, there's...
Honey, what two kids? You. There's a modern play.
Uh-huh.
To name anyone inside.
What's the uncle doing?
Mommy.
Smile here, sweetie. Bella! Sir Kamoya! Ah! Oh, hindi grunitsa, sweetie. Ayde! We are here now inside the coffee bar, guys. Daniel removing his shoes to play inside. Kasi bawal po yung shoes sa loob. And super lakas yung sound music nila dito. Kaya ito, voice over uli ako. Ayan, di matanggal-tanggal ni Danko yung kanyang shoes. Need ko na naman siyang tulungan. And eto, finally yung order ko is here. And eto, selfie-selfie lang muna. At yung isa ay busy na sa loob naglalaro. And another one is outside. Mirabella don't want inside yet. So, she want to play alone outside. But I will check later again. So, dalawa yung tinitingnan ko, guys. Meron sa loob, meron sa labas. Pero medyo mainit sa labas. So, need kong tawagin, guys, yung isa. Kasi super init sa labas. What you doing na? Very hot there. State ready. Samo ti sama. Ay, di tamo. Puno ruce. Ay, de sweetie. No, you cannot do that. By alone, somebody will get you. Ay, de. Yeah. Ay, de tamo. Wash your hands there inside. Yeah, I will come. Busy, your brother want me. Ay, de. Too much this one. Maybe you will get fall sick na. Ay, de sweetie. Ayan, guys, and finally Mirabella's is inside also. And eto si Daniel, he's eating chips sa tabi ko. And ayan, lumabas din tong isa. Ayan. Ayan, binuksan na niya, guys, yung chips niya. Habang yung isa yun, laro lang ng laro. So, anyway, guys, this will be the end of my video kasi malolobat na tayo. And again, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell button so that every time po na mag-upload ako ng new video, you will be updated or get notified. So, bye-bye for now, guys. See you on next vlog again. Ciao!